Say hello to Echo Dot, a compact speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It's got a new look and a new speaker with improved sound. It's designed to fit almost anywhere, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or your desk, and can play all your favorite music from all your favorite places. Alexa, play music for studying.
Here's a station you might like.
Alexa, start my day. With Alexa routines, it's easy to turn on the lights, turn up the heat, and more with a single command. Alexa can also check your schedule, get you caught up, and keep dinner on track. Alexa, set a pasta timer for 12 minutes.
Pasta timer for 12 minutes, starting now.
Best of all, Echo Dot and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Dot from Amazon.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see. Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hi, I'm Erin, and I'm the social media manager here at Withings. Today, I want to introduce to you our Withings Go. Withings Go is an advanced activity tracker at an accessible price. It tracks what matters automatically to keep you active every day. There's no buttons to press, no lights to decode, no learning curve. All you need to do is wear it. It's great for beginners. And here's what you get in the box. You get the device, a wristband, a clip, and it even comes with a little tool so you can change the button cell battery that lasts up to 8 months. What you don't get is a cord, because there's no charging. It automatically detects your activity from walking, running, sleeping, and swimming. That's right, I said swim. It's water resistant up to 50 meters. And here's a quick tip. If you want the sleeping and swimming detection, wear the wristband. Withings Go uses an e-ink screen, which is always on. It shows the time, your activity progress, and gives you a reward for reaching your goal. It's easily readable in sunlight and in water, and that's the beauty of e-ink. All of that data is collected, and then it syncs to your smartphone via Bluetooth. So you don't just see the information on the Withings Go, you actually get in-depth information laid out beautifully in our free HealthMate app. It's like having a personal health coach. You get your activity tracking. Like my steps I hit yesterday, there's 12,000 steps, and it breaks it down by distance, duration, and calories burned. You get your sleep data. So last night I slept 8 hours and 26 minutes, breaks it down by deep sleep and light sleep. You get badges for hitting different distances, and you can challenge your friends on our leaderboard. So I'm in 4th place this week, and Julie always wins. Your friends don't actually have to have a Withings Go, they just need the free HealthMate app. And a fun fact for you, people who actually have friends on their leaderboard walk 25% more than people who don't. How awesome is that? We also connect to over 150 different partner apps. We're also synced with Apple Health. There's a Withings Go for everyone. It comes in 5 fun colors: red, green, blue, yellow, and black. It's iOS and Android compatible.
The selfie by Gabba Goods is the hottest and most fun way to take a photo. The remote shutter release makes it easy to take selfies or group shots and upload them straight to your favorite social media outlet. The small portable design makes it convenient to carry around, allowing you to capture every memory and moment of your life. How do you use it? It's simple. Take the cable, plug it into the headphone jack, open up your camera mode, and snap a photo. You may then post that to Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or anywhere else that you can upload photos to. No software, no instruction manual, and no installation necessary. It works with both camera and video modes. The cable length is approximately 4.5 feet long, and it works with only Apple devices. The Selfie by Gabba Goods.